I will give memory to Claude code under a minute like we did for cursor, but this time with SSE. As we did before, we will start with cloning Cognee. Then navigate to Cognee MCP folder. And then we will install the dependencies, activate the virtual environment, and then run the server with SSE this time. After making sure that my server is running, I'll go ahead and activate my Claude CLI. I will navigate to the project folder and run Claude. Now the only thing that I need to do is running the following. And voila, our MCP server is added. I'll just exit and run it again to test if the connection is working. We can basically test it. 5 people will work on this project. That is great. Now we will run Cognify status to see if the Cognify process is correctly running. Perfect. Now we will ask how many people will work in this project. Yes, you can also just opt in to run it all the time. You don't have to give the permission. 5 people will work on this project. That's it. Of course, you can populate your knowledge graph with any information you wish for your project. So go ahead and try it and let us know what you think.